everyone. I've had this idea on the back of my mind for the past couple of days now, and this idea was basically what this video is. Today I wanted to try something that I haven't seen before. I wanted to try to show my art process, but not cutting out all the decisions and the in-betweens. So what I mean by that is all the last minute changes, all the effects, all the kind of staring at it and wondering if I even like it or not. Basically, it's going to be a realistic version of my art process. It's kind of the art version of my realistic morning routine, quote unquote, but my realistic digital art process. If this video does well, I may do a traditional art version of this. If not, I'll just stick with digital or just leave it as is. So I hope this video turns out well. I hope it kind of registers how I imagined it to be. If you like it, just go ahead and leave me a comment of what you think. Also, a like if you are willing to do so. I'm not gonna force you, but that would be really nice. Let's get to it. First is have an idea. I have one in mind. I want to draw a generic character being emotional, and I have this image in my head of them crying, but I don't know yet if that's what I want to do or if that's just like what I'm feeling right now. I want the mood to be. Kind of just go with it. I have my sketch brush ready to go. This is my Pinterest. I keep pose references, anatomy, body references, all that. Sometimes I have a color scheme in my head, but I need references like either in real life and photography, so that way I can kind of get them and put the ideas together. I'm gonna basically loosely sketch exactly what I'm thinking of. I think that's okay for the sketch. I'm not very happy with it. I might go look on Pinterest for references. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. New idea, same concept. Let's do thumbnails. 2 thumbnails. Actually, I lied. There's no thumbnail number 2. So when you hit a cigarette or hit it out, I know you get something like that or like this. I can't decide, Percival, on how to do his hair. I have long hair in mind, but I don't know what. Let's just go with your usual kinda-ish wolf cut. Oh, his neck looks weird. That's probably what's bothering me. There we go. It's already 100 times better. Gosh. I like it. So we clean this up a little bit. Time for the base colors. So I'm thinking this is what I need this reference to. I want the background to be really dark. So that's the base colors that I want to go with. Next is just adding the basic shadows and stuff like that. And I also like to add it like the little, I don't know how to describe it. I know a general term for it could be considered iridescent, but it's not really iridescent, I guess. But I'll show you what I mean. Now this is the iridescent part. I kind of touch where I want it to be, go to the color wheel, go exactly what's opposite to it, then kind of play around with what looks best. I like this color. Before after. Okay. So now that I like what I'm looking at here, I'm gonna adjust the background. So I thought I liked it. It's a little too much. So what I'm going to do is do that. Get some of the original color scheme back. Erase what I don't want on this thing. There we go. So now the fun part. Rendering, which I will do another day because that's enough drawing for this piece for today. Typical piece takes me like around 2 to 3 days, but not like the whole day, more like a few hours. But I do multiple pieces in one day, so that's why I will see you tomorrow. So day 2. I'm glad I did it in today's. If you're not liking it the first day, you can come back to it with fresh eyes another day. I love it now. I look from it from afar and it looks really cool, so I'm excited to render it, and that's what we're doing today. It's my favorite part, comparing them. So I'm putting a stop here because I do work a full-time job and I am on my lunch break while I'm drawing this. I'll be back, so if I look different, that's why. So, be right back. Rip the color, please. Oh, that color. Thank you. I don't have my glasses. Where are they? Oh, there they are. So, my favorite part. Let's compare just to see how it's going. So this is a base sketch with the colors. I love it. I'm so happy. I think it's a good stopping point for me today. I got a lot done. The next step, I'm gonna finish rendering the hands. So far, I don't like it. I don't like the hands right now. I think the hands kind of look wonky, but I may like it tomorrow if I look at it. Once I finish rendering, I'll add the final steps. So I will see you the next day. Hello everyone. It is currently 8:50 at night. I'm really tired. I really wanted to finish this drawing. Well, at least get close to finishing as possible. So today I'm looking at it with fresh eyes and kind of see what I'm looking at, if there's something I like, what I don't like. The hands is something I wanted to take a look at. I mean, close up, it's not really ideal. I think I kind of know what I don't like about it. This right here is what I don't like. It's looking a little weird to me. Maybe if we look from... Yeah. That doesn't look right. Okay. There we go. It's just like really weird because it was arching out. I don't know why I didn't see it, but I'm glad I looked at it with fresh eyes. It's day 3 on this painting. And it took me 3 days to think of turning on the bedroom light. I don't know why, but it took me that long, and I'm sorry if the video kind of goes from you be able to see my face to you be able to see like a flashlight or something of my face. I don't know, but still, it's weird. I'm sorry. I don't know if I like it. I used a smoke brush from Aaron Griffin Art's Photoshop brush set. The brush is good, it's just I don't like how it came out. It's not really the effect I'm going for. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it by hand, see if I like it better, and just compare the two. So V1, V2, V1. Definitely like V2 better. Don't really like V1. I want to kind of enhance this a little bit, so I'm gonna try these filters, see which one looks cooler. Oh yeah, can never go wrong with overlay. There we go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.